Case study: creating a healthier fitness studio for members and staff, with an engineered program to improve and maintain optimal IAQ. HVAC cleaned and restored. Work was conducted after hours when the studio was closed. The air handler units were cleaned with the 14-point pure steam method. This process uses high-temperature steam to thoroughly disinfect the air handler unit. The insulation was then encapsulated. Pathogens neutralized. PUREDECON topical cleaning and electrostatic spray were utilized to provide disinfection which goes beyond CDC recommendations. Bipolar ionization. Pure plasma was installed to eliminate airborne viruses, microbes, particles, and odors. Air purification. Pure Aramax air purifiers with multi-stage HEPA filtration and bipolar ionization were installed to remove allergens, microbes, odors, and particles. Why did you go with this healthy building program?
Well, here at Spangler, we're an elite fitness studio that focuses on a holistic experience. I knew that Pure Air Controls had a healthy building program that also addresses indoor air quality at multiple levels to ensure optimal conditions and mitigate the risk to my staff and members.
Conditions tested. Coronavirus environmental testing was done to verify building safety for occupancy. Our environmental diagnostics laboratory analyzed the collected samples with RT-qPCR technology and detected no presence of coronavirus RNA. Conditions monitored. IAQ Guard was installed to continuously monitor the facility for particles, temperature, relative humidity, carbon dioxide, and volatile organic compounds. Temperatures monitored. A touchless temperature detection kiosk was implemented to monitor occupants for symptoms when entering the studio. What has been the reaction from members and staff?
Our ongoing disinfection protocols, along with the healthy building components, have really given our people the confidence to come back and focus on their fitness. It's provided the bounce we need to get back to business and given us an edge over the competition.
Make your building a certified Pure Air indoor environment today.